Today, I'm going to show you how to enter in Lucidchart quickly and easily, even if it's your first time using Lucid. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and by the end you'll know exactly how to get into your account, open Lucidchart, and start working on a board without getting stuck. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or any browser you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, go directly to the Lucid login page. If you're using a school or education account, you may see a special login page, but the process is very similar either way. Now, on the login screen, you'll need to sign into your Lucid account. You can usually do this with your email and password, or you can use a single sign-on option like Google, Microsoft or Slack if your organization has that set up. Just choose the sign-in method that matches your account. If you don't already have a Lucid account, look for a button that says Sign Up Free or Get Started. That will let you create a new account before continuing. Once you're signed in, Lucid will take you to your homepage. On the Lucid homepage, take a look at the upper left area of the screen. You should see a button that says Plus New. This is where you can start a new file or open one of the Lucid tools. Hover over that menu and you'll see options for different Lucid products. From there, choose Lucidchart if you want to create diagrams, flowcharts, or other visual documents. Depending on your account and what you're trying to do, you may also see other options such as Lucid Spark. But for Lucidchart, you want to select the Lucidchart option from the new menu. After that, you'll be able to create or join a board or diagram. If you want to start from scratch, choose a blank board or blank document. This gives you a clean workspace where you can build your diagram exactly how you want it. If you'd rather begin with a ready-made layout, select Create from Template. That opens the template gallery, where you can pick something like a mind map, flowchart, or other pre-built design. And if someone has shared a board or diagram with you, you can use the Join ID option. Just enter the code they gave you, and Lucid will take you directly into their shared board. This is especially useful when you're collaborating with classmates, co-workers, or team members. Once you've entered Lucidchart, you're ready to start working. You can begin adding shapes, text, connectors, and anything else your project needs. The main thing is that you now know how to get in, where to click, and how to choose the right starting option. So to quickly recap, open your browser, go to the Lucid login page, sign in with your account, find the Plus New button on the home page, choose Lucidchart, and then either create a blank board, use a template, or join with an ID. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more clear and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.